Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Bedai yakatuna transport kejala uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulaong bag sarkar hadu manta kampat ya Kren Eiei habai dai batki Khajna jungki kot kali kamai ulaong ba amdai tang ki taksi kamai ke bamat ya kejinge hanrai baro ki madlot ya kejinge wat ko sarkar ru kumju kadon hapdeng kejing kordet bat kumta kamlong kababha bansurai kerki namar amdei tang ki taksi hanrai ki kali shmet kaseng jungki trok ru ki bamat ki jinge bat kumta lada shimya karai tangdak banta kawai ki weiru kin sawan syak sarkar bandawa hoj kajing dawa ka jungki kamdei ka babakla hanrai haban sngutu pat baya kane ka jinge lamad lot de baro kumta kambha ya ka sarkar bansurai matla basa pen kelab yang hadin mat habai dai bat kane ansai perkhat bat.
Here in this corona period we are relaxing everything. We have allowed them to no fine, nothing, no penalties till much. So for reducing all these things, we are need a discussion. Got their own problem. Tourists has got their own problem. Truck has got their own problem. Private has got their own problem. So therefore, it's not so easy for us to decide immediately. Therefore, we think nicely and properly before we decide anything. So many reasons are there. Yes, so many reasons. No, so many reasons. So many reasons. You see, you should know. You are so well aware of this. There is not only taxis who face this problem. Even private who face the same problem. Even the commercial face the same problem. So if we go one decision for one particular thing, everybody will jump on us. So therefore, necessary for us to examine properly before we decide anything. Yes, it's not bad. I do not say that they are wrong or we are wrong. It's we face everybody facing a problem with this corona crisis.
Hima, kung ba kajaka ba sarkar ang mga 50% na yung tax population. Yung kan ba sarkar man da kanang kan susu ya kanika Khajna per kali so.
No, you see that is no, we used to increase in this. Even the fares are increased in last January. Increased the euro for the things. Because for the last 9-10 years, no increases are increased. So that is plus minus business. Sometimes we suppose now like the other state do all the like you see from time to time, like registration, all this is that is a minor thing. It's a normal procedure. Because for the last, if I'm not made a mistake, for the last 10 years, no increasing in the fare, so I do it. It's got their own problem. Tourists has got their own problem. Truck has got their own problem. Private has got their own problem. So therefore, it's not so easy for us to decide immediately. Therefore, we think nicely and properly before we decide anything. So all these things come together because of this corona thing. So we need to see and check properly nicely. Because our own voice, our own stakeholder, we have to through them. We have to listen to them, but we have to see which one we can do and which one we are yet to decide. So it's not good for us to decide blindly and change tomorrow. You see, that is the reason.
Thank you. COVID lapor badan ke lockdown kila saksta kali kemarin kerpa suka kemana steng di Khajna senjata seperti
That's why we haven't discussed yet. We haven't discussed yet, and so far we have relaxed for the almost 1 year for all these no penalties. So we are instead supposed to that permit ends up to March. We allow them till next March. And that is the relaxation we have given. And for reduce all these taxes, and we haven't discussed. You know very well because now when government is in crisis. So yes, everybody feel the pain. Not only the commercial, because the problem is that if we do for one, everybody will come to demand from it. So therefore, we have to think properly before we decide anything.
Kamu ka government menta ka aila adiki begin siyo installment suki till next.
That is yet to decide. But the time we have till March, and the installment for the not yet decided. From the taxes of the so obviously just Deputy CM Hasri always clarification, and always we try to maintain that we should be lower than Assam. Many years ago. And yes, if we feel that it really affects people, so that's why we always move to